Social media is a digital platform that allows users to create, share, and interact with the content as well as communicate with one another with the aim of facilitating communication, providing a space for creativity and learning, promoting goods and services, and offering a platform for sharing news and current information. The influence of social media is vast and significant, encompassing various aspects of social, political, and economic life. Based on our experience, as we know that social media facilitates interactions between individuals, shapes public opinion, and influences social values and norms, both positively and negatively. That means social media can impacting users globally. From international perspective, social media can affect foreign policy between countries through digital diplomacy and the dissemination of public opinion. However, over time, many issues have arisen from the existence for social media.
Social media also cause some problems. One of them is hoax news. Hoax news is misleading or false information deliberately created to deceive the public. It uses sensational stories presented as genuine news to manipulate the public. This false information can destabilize diplomatic efforts, making it difficult for governments to respond effectively. It also threatens global security and cooperation by spreading confusion and mistrust on an international scale.
Next, sample case number 1 is Great Moon Hoax, a hoax published in the South New York about the discovery of crater on the moon that shocked the public at the time. Number 2 is World War II. One of the major consequences of hoax was involvement in World War II, where propaganda and false information spread through print and electronic media exacerbate tension between countries.
The impact of hoax news from an international perspective. One, tension between countries. Hoax can cause misunderstanding and damage diplomatic relations. Two, political interference. Fake news is used to influence election and weaken democracy in other nations. Three, weakened global cooperation. Misinformation about global issues reduce trust between countries. Four, increased polarization. Hoax deepen division and make international dialogue harder. Five, support for extremism. Extremist groups use fake news to spread hate and recruit members across borders. Six, blocked humanitarian aid. Hoax can make people reject or distrust foreign help during crisis.
And the next is how to overcome hoax news, a brief guide for government and society. First, there is government's role, there is regulation and enforcement, create and enforce laws against spreading hoaxes, and there is fact-checking, establish official fact-checking teams and websites to correct false information quickly. Third, media literacy education, integrate media literacy into school curricula and run public awareness campaigns. Fourth, collaboration, coordinate efforts among government, media, civil society, and academia. And the last is technology and research. Use AI tools to detect hoaxes and support related search. And there is also a society's role, which is verify information, always check facts before sharing news. Second is follow trusted sources, like rely on credible media and official channels. Third, report hoaxes. You can use social media reporting features to flag false content. And the last is improve literacy. We can improve our literacy by learn and teach how to identify fake news.
Social media has a great influence on global life, both in social, political, and economic aspects. However, the spread of false information or hoaxes through social media can have serious international consequences. including diplomatic tension, political disruption, weakened global cooperation, and increased polarization. Historical examples like the Great Moon Hoax and World War II propaganda show that information deception is not new. But digital platforms now enable it to spread faster and wider. Hoaxnews, false or misleading information deliberately created to deceive destabilizes diplomacy and threatens global security by spreading confusion and mistrust. Therefore, governments and communities must work together to regulation, media literacy, technology, and verifying information before sharing to combat hoaxes effectively.